I wanted to show you this twin mattress that I received from the company. It does get shipped in a box rolled up, and it comes with everything you need to open it up, and it inflates. So it has this tool to properly open it. We opened it right onto the twin bed that we're putting it on, which made it really simple and easy. But definitely be prepared. It Once you open it up, it rolls right out pretty quickly. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. It is a hybrid mattress. It's gel, memory foam, individual pocket inner springs as well. It is like a medium firmness. I definitely think it's on the softer side of a mattress. So if you like it, if you want like a really firm mattress, I would look at a different one. But for like a medium firmness, like on a softer side, this is great. It has like a really plush memory foam gel on top, which makes it like very nice for like alignment and your muscles and just to feel comfortable in it. It's like the smooth fabric on top. It feels good to the touch, and you can see it's like pretty padded as well as pretty it goes up pretty high. It is like a motion sense so that like you are not going to be disturbed. It like definitely has the motion isolation. You can see like I'm moving around on here and the cup is not falling or spilling with the water. So I think that that is great if you're looking for a mattress like this. I would definitely go ahead and grab it. I love how it comes. It doesn't have like any type of smell to it, which I really appreciate, and we're really happy with it.